Hi, my name is Daryl, and this is Coffee Break Linux. Today's lesson we're going to be talking about applications. Well, what is an application? An application basically is a program on the computer which needs a user interaction. It needs you to do something. The program will allow you to enter in digits, enter in information. You have to select the options you want to do on these programs. And in Linux, essentially this elementary, we have an applications menu. Here's the layout of it. On the left side, you have basic names, so graphics, you have the scanner and all that. You have your browsers, your email, all that. In this applications menu, you can change the layout. So in this one, we have it in more organized settings, or we can do all applications where everything's lined up and you can go through the list and choose. So an application on Linux is basically free. The whole idea of free software, free everything for anybody, and how people see this is more, take a look at it in terms of Microsoft Word. Program costs money to use, but on Linux we have this thing called open source, where people create these programs and they distribute it for free. So LibreOffice is one option, which basically gives you the whole Office tools, but you don't have to pay for it. There's tons and tons and tons of programs out there for you to do, for you to get, download and use. And they're very easy to install, and that's what I'm going to show you today, is how to install and uninstall programs on Linux using the Software Center. So, we open up Software Center, and I'm going to start off with a few programs to download, and I'll show you what happens when they're installed and uninstall them and all that. I'll show you. So here we have the opening window for the Software Center, and what we're going to do is I'm going to start off with the first thing to download I want is VLC, free to use video program. Oh, it's already on the system. Okay, so we'll move on. Well, I like to play Sudoku. Okay, maybe crosswords. Okay, we got crosswords. Okay. So what we do is we take one, and all you have to do is click install. It's going to be like this for any other program that you're looking for that would be on this list. You click install. It'll ask you for the password to your system, which is the password that you'd make as administrator. And as you see, it's installing. That's a small thing, so probably won't take long. Once it's installed there, we go back up to applications, and we look around. So in this case, it's called QXW. So we look through the list. QXW. You touch it. Oh, look at that. I'm guessing this is a program for crosswords or find words. I don't know. That's essentially how it installs, and that's where it goes. In this case, it'd be in the organization under games. So what we want to do, if we don't want it anymore, we'll go here, we click remove. Give it a few minutes and it'll remove itself. Now, this down here is your dock, and this is where main programs that you want to keep that you want access to quite easily. So I'm going to show you some. After it's been downloaded, since we didn't have to download VLC, I'm just going to use this as an example. You take VLC, you click and you hold it, the icon, and you notice you have it here. You keep clicking. Do not let go of the click. You have to hold on to it. You bring it down to the dock and place it wherever you like. If you don't like where it is, you click on it again, you hold it, and you move it around. If you don't want it in the dock, you just have to click, grab, and you just bring it up and drop it off. Simple as that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you will meet us next time for our next lesson, where we will be touching LibreOffice. Thank you.